guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a new holiday set from Sephora that they had just released. It is one of the holiday sets from Too Faced, and it's a set of their mini Too Faced Melted Matte Lipsticks, and it's called the Sweet Smell of Christmas Treats Liquefied Lipstick Set. So this is definitely an amazing set. I've already worn all of the shades and I love them. I will be giving you guys swatches and a review for this video. I don't know if you guys are aware, but Sephora during this time of year, during the holiday season, they like to put things together in a set and sell them for discounted prices. So I really like to shop at Sephora during the holiday season because you get more bang for your buck basically. So yeah, and then they always come out with amazing things. Like this set is amazing. As soon as I seen that it was released on Sephora.com, you guys know I had to grab it. I will definitely have this link down below if you guys are interested. That way you guys can just purchase it right through the link. So this set right here, it comes with 4 liquid lipsticks, and this is the same Too Faced Melted Matte formula, which I personally love. And you get 2 nudes, 1 kind of like orangey tone, and 1 red lippy. All 4 of these lippies are actually holiday scented, so that is really exciting. They smell absolutely incredible. So you get pumpkin spice one, a sugar cookie, a cinnamon bear, and hot buttered rum. So this one is kind of like a more brown orange. This is more like a nude. This is a vibrant red, and this is definitely like an orange, bright orange lippy, so perfect for. I actually have on right now sugar cookie with a brown lip liner all around my lips. This wig is making me so hot right now. This set is absolutely amazing. I do recommend it to all of you guys. It's amazing. It's a really good way to try out the Too Faced liquid lipstick formula. I personally like it. I know that it stays on all day and it has great pigmentation, and the fact that these are scented, I really am so happy. And they're holiday themed scent. Holiday themed scents. Yes, it's perfect for fall, for Thanksgiving, Christmas. Oh my gosh, I love it. I can't wait for you guys to see the swatches. Oh my god, my wig is going crazy. I would definitely recommend this to anybody looking for a gift, so make sure to check out my description down below. The link is right there, so you could just click it and buy it online. You don't even have to go to the store. But yes, without further ado, if you guys want to see my swatches for this set, then just go ahead and keep watching.
I'm like, damn, she's fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. I'm up past that breath. Rewind, see that as more time. I got you, so let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. You remind me of a girl that I once knew. See your face whenever I look at you. Won't believe all of the things she put me through. You remind me of a girl that I wanna know. Lost without you, can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? Lost without you, can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? You got it bad. Yeah. When you're on the phone, you hang up and you call right back. Yeah. You got it bad. If you miss a day without your friend, your whole life's off track. No, I don't want no slut. A slut is a girl who can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of a best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I need a one-man. Got an Hennessy in my hand. One more time for I.O. Higher powers taking control of me. I need a one-man. Got an Hennessy in my hand. Time for I.O. If you're...
Alright you guys, so that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches and a little mini review. If you guys want me to review or unbox any more holiday sets, if it's a specific one or just in general, let me know in the comments down below, or give me a thumbs up letting me know that you guys want more of these videos and yeah, what you guys want to see from my channel. I know you guys have been requesting certain videos from me, like my skincare routine, and it's been weighing heavy on me because I do want to give you guys content that you guys asked for, and I have gotten so many requests for a skincare video that I think I am just gonna do it. The only thing that's holding me back is that my skincare products, I have invested in them over time and they are very expensive products, but since you guys did ask for them, I will give you guys a skincare video. But I also want to try out some skincare products from the drugstore, that way I could give you guys maybe like alternatives, because I know not everybody can, you know, invest money in a very expensive oil or toner or whatever it may be. So I'm working on that. I just want you guys to know that I'm not ignoring you. I do hear all of your feedback and I do take it all into consideration. Skincare video is coming up soon, very soon. Sorry for the wait, but Lil Wayne reference. I do want to do 2 parts of my skincare video. I want to do the real raw, like, you know, me everyday nighttime daytime routine that I truly use. That way you guys can, you know, weigh the pros and cons, whether or not you guys are wanting to get the products that I mentioned. And also I do want to do a part 2 that includes more drugstore items, more affordable items, because I know that not everybody has money to spend or invest into skincare products. I totally get it, girl. Like, you know, we're all balling on a budget, but like I said, my skincare items, I have invested in them over time, and I've kind of figured out what works for my skin and what doesn't, and what brands are good for my skin and what aren't, you know. So yes, I just want you guys to know I'm not ignoring you. And let's just talk about the elephant in the room. Did I get a new bed sheet? Okay, yeah, I know you guys are probably like, what the heck is she doing with the wig on? Like, what the heck? Is she going crazy? No, I got, you guys, October is gonna be such a fun month. You guys have no idea. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays. Like, oh my gosh, you guys don't even know. I love anything spooky, I swear. And my wigs came in today, girl. All I'm gonna say is stay tuned for Halloween videos, for my October videos to come. Just stay tuned. There's gonna be some fun stuff. I have aligned some fun stuff for you guys, and that's why I'm wearing this wig. It's kind of like a little preview of what you're gonna see on my channel. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. I hope you guys stay tuned for that. I have so many fun things aligned for you guys, and I'm just like so excited thinking about everything. But yeah, I just wanted to play with this today and kind of like put them on. I'm not a wig person, so I don't even know if I look crazy right now. I probably do, but it's really fun to try them. So thank you so much for all your support. I know I say it in every video, but I really enjoy doing this for you guys, doing this for myself. I truly love getting in front of the camera and sharing, you know, a little positivity in the world. Like, this is somewhere where we can escape to and just talk about makeup products and escape reality for a little bit. So I hope that my channel and my videos make your day a little bit better, or it's maybe like a happy place or a fun place for you guys to kind of like escape for a little bit, get away. That's why I always ask for your guys' suggestions, because I only want to put out content that you guys truly love. But with that being said, I'm just rambling on. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.